Hello guys. Today I brought you to Kew Gardens, which is the kind of my travel journey after COVID-19. So Kew Gardens has its own history. Kew Gardens is famous because it has the world's largest collection of plants and species. It has almost 60,000 plants. At my back there's a building is Temperate House. Temperate House is the world's greatest glass house with all the plants they have to preserve those plants. So I'm gonna take you to the tour of this Kew Garden. The foundation of Kew Gardens was started in 1299, and after that it came into light into general public in 17th century, and after that in 18th century it was open for general public as well. Apart from that, Kew Garden has its own police, which is the only garden in the world, you can say that, which has its own police. Apart from that, there is 1,100 member of staff work for this Kew Garden. I have a map in my hand, so I will suggest that whenever you come to visit this garden, always take a map at the reception, because this map will help you to go through its most famous places, because this garden is very big. It's not possible to go through all the places in one day, so you can choose there which places, you can mark down which places you really want to visit. It will make your visit worthwhile. I'm gonna go behind the camera now after this and show you the different parts of this garden, so you will have idea that what I'm talking about and how beautiful this garden is. As I said before, it's a Temperate House. It's the world's greatest glass house. So you can see the surroundings as well. And that is one of the main gate. Although you can't enter from that gate. There are few few entrances are open due to coronavirus and everything. You can see that this park is not very busy now, because there is no secret behind it because of this coronavirus COVID-19. This was a gift from one prince to the princess, because he fall in love with that princess. You can search online, you can check all the history behind it, that what was the gift, because what I can say that from my own research, this was a gift from one prince to the princess. So you can see that in love you can go all the way. If you really love someone, you are willing to do anything, and Taj Mahal is one of that example as well. It is right next to this great building. We are inside the glass house now, as you can see. It's a beautiful building. So they try to preserve all these plants. So you can see they are Africans. Just go all the way. This great building. Now we are at the back of the building. Treetop house walkway. That's what we are going. Okay, we are here we're planning to go up, but as you can see from the notice, it is temporarily closed until further notice, so we're not allowed to go up. But you can see that this treetop house. You can see the treetop walk. It's very old tree. They preserved it, save it, and look after it. And you can see it's very unique. You can see that they have named every tree and the history behind it, the number, so they try to preserve everything. As you can see, another side of the park, and that is Royal Kitchen. That building. We are going to Beehive, the place where, or you can say the house of bees. So you can see that we are going to the hive. As you can see that this is Beehive, one of the most iconic and famous place in Kew Gardens and most visited as well. They have created how the hive and everything has been created, so it gives you an idea. I don't know if you can hear the sound in the background. They have created about 1,000 bees as well. We are entering in the beehive. We are inside the beehive. I am at Great Broad Walk. This is one of the famous walk here in this Kew Garden as well. You can see it's very nice view. Now we are at the Palm House. You can see it's a beautiful place. Here is the inside view of Palm House. You can see that it's a beautiful place. Our journey to Kew Garden has come to an end. I have tried to give you the glimpse of this great and beautiful garden and the history behind it as well, and give you the idea how things has been changed after COVID-19. I hope you like this short visit. It gives you an idea next time when you come to London to visit this place and enjoy the place. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, please share my video. If in the video, if I have said something which is not right or historically is incorrect, please forgive me for that. Thank you very much.